Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and I came back from class and I actually started studying for my math exam that I have today. Very scared for that because I'm getting every single question wrong. I'm not sure why I have to take math again, but even though I passed all my high school credits and college credits, I don't know why I'm still taking math. And it's easy math too. It's about compound interest, but I'm still getting them wrong. I'm not sure why. Anyways, I just had a granola bar as a breakfast, as well as a medium iced coffee. My acnes are terrible right now because I've been drinking too much coffee lately, and apparently coffee is really bad for your acnes, but I really needed it. I slept so late last night trying to study for math. It's just not fun. People who said college would be fun, screw them because they lied to me. I'm not enjoying it very much. It's very stressful. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's currently 9:08 p.m. and a lot of things have happened since I vlogged. Basically today was all about math quiz. My math quiz is 6 questions, but it's very hard. I study hours and hours for it. It's really hard. So yeah, but in the end I got 100s, which I'm really proud of. After that I basically just went to groceries because Hurricane Florence, I don't know how to pronounce it, but there's a hurricane coming towards Virginia Tech and it's super dangerous. So I went to get some emergency food, and yeah, and then after that I just went to a dinner with my friend Jake. He's an architecture major and I basically met him at this fashion club one time, and then we just kind of kept in touch ever since, and I absolutely love him. So yeah, dinner took about 3 hours, so it was really fun. But now I'm back at my dorm. I'm currently just studying for my communication quiz, and we get to make 4x6 note card. So let me just show you what I'm trying to do. Basically, I take all my notes in OneNote and I'm just copying and pasting all of this into this, and yeah, so this is size 5. And I'm trying to fit everything in here, so I need to make this smaller too, but basically that's what I'm doing. And I'm slightly sleep deprived, so yeah, it's only been 3rd week of school and we already have exams, we already have quizzes, we have a lot of things going on. It's just really tiring. Didn't think college would be super stressful like freshman year, but it's definitely stressful. Getting a lot of acne from it. So yeah, but I'll catch up with you guys later. Good morning, it's a new day. It's Thursday, currently 11:48 a.m. So basically, I went to my communication class at 9:30 and our class ended at 10 today because we only had to take a quiz. I studied for the quiz and I got a 65. With the curve, it was 70%, so yeah, so my grade went from 98 to 86.8. which is super disappointing, but they said I could drop the lowest grade, so I think I'll just drop it or something, and I can always improve on the next one, so it's fine. I know I can do better, so that's all that matters. Currently, because I was so tired last night, I made myself some coffee and I'm eating Cheetos because I'm really hungry, and I'm on YouTube. So yeah. And basically for today, I'm done with all my classes, and around 1, I have to go meet my academic advisor for my future plans. Then around 7, I have dental club to go to. So nothing interesting, honestly, but today's like a free day because I'm done with all my homework and quizzes, so I feel good. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, and so it's currently 10:10, and I just came back from my 9:05 class. It's basically called management for business, and yeah, so today we just like Skyped a bunch of alumni, and like we asked questions and such. It was very boring. I was working on my outline when alumni people were talking, but whatever. Anyways, so it's actually like 76 degrees today, and for some reason I'm sweating so much, and I even have a fan on right here and there, but I'm just sweating. I'm so shiny right now. That's not the point. So anyways, yeah, I think this vlog is going absolutely nowhere. I don't know who's going to watch this, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. So, hurricane update. So technically, originally the hurricane was supposed to hit us on Thursday night, but that didn't happen because it was pushed back to today. But then looking at the weather, it's just slightly windy, but it's not like severe, and it's not even going to rain today, so I guess we won't get the hurricane here, which is sort of sad, but also like a relief. But yeah. We got Amazon Prime Pantry because the hurricane would hit us and we needed emergency food. So let's do some unboxing. First, we have this beef ravioli in can. We have 7 of those. I have my Nature Valley. We have this V8 juice. This is actually ours. And then my almond braise. And then we have this tissue. It was on sale. Then we got this $10 almond butter. It was super expensive, but apparently it's really good. Then we have this banana chips as well as strawberries. Actually, all of these were like $35, so I think it was a pretty good deal. Wait, what time is it right now?
1:26.
We're so hungry and we couldn't sleep, so we're going to go to DX.
We went into bed and we looked at each other and we're like, DX? DX.
So we're getting food. See ya.
Dollar Tree runs with Sammy Hong and our moon. She needs to poop right now.
Stop. Privacy.
When you desperately need to poop.
Guys, there's all these shirts. Come on, there's my house. Wow.
Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh, you know what I thought of? You know what I should do? Dollar store challenge. Yeah, dollar store haul.
Yeah. Such a bougie Dollar Tree. Oh my god. Seriously? They have a ring holder.
The brains in for the
What
bio.
the heck? Do you see that? Right there?
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. Wait, is that a... What is that though? What shape is that? A leaf.
A Buddha. Buddha, is that you?
Oh, there's an
Oh, I like this one. I like this
There's a
one.
gold one of that too. Right behind it. Right there.
Where? Oh, I like this
Oh,
one.
that's so cute.
What is this?
I don't know. Wings? Bio exam reveal.
Stress is at the max. 84. Bruh, that's so good.
Hey guys, so it is Sunday and it's around 1:30 p.m. This morning I woke up around 9:30. I slept really late yesterday because we went to Walmart at like 11ish p.m. and then came home around 1, so
Bye.
that happened. Anyway, so this morning I woke up and then did some laundry. After that, I actually had brunch with this organization called VSA, which is like Vietnamese Student Association, and I got to meet my family, like a group of people, and it was really fun. I was there for quite a while. I came back to my dorm around 10 minutes ago, and now I'm trying to do my communication homework, which is writing an essay, and it's due on Tuesday, so I'm just trying to get it out of the way. You know, Sunday means homework day, so yeah, I'm just going to work and hopefully get it done so I can have some fun tonight. I kind of want to do like a movie night with my dorm mate, so yeah.
My name is Jessica, and today we're at Target. That's how she does it.
You're not opening that. No.
Hello.
You're not invited. You're not a special guest
Oh,
anymore.
what do you mean? Target runs. I am Sammy.
No one cares.
I care.
Sorry, sir.
Wait, can I go to the Barbie section? Jessica, I'll buy this for you.
I really do
Instead
not
of
need
Lulu.
No, I really do not need it. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at it. It has a mustache.
We're now in Michael's.
We're shopping.
We're shopping. I really want this. Like on the flower.
You need to show them.
I'm showing it to them.
It's these. Sorry, I'm like sweating, bros. I'm glowing, bitches.
It's glowing. Yeah, glowing. Glow that shit. Yeah. Glow.
Bitch, fight me. And you want bitch fight me. Me glowing. The Asian glow, you know?
The Asian glow.
This is so cute.
Sammy and Ara spotted at Michael's. What about me?
Where's the giraffe?
Giraffe? Not here.
I think this one looks the most like you.
Boy. What is this?
The mama.
The mama.
No, Jessica.
I'm the fox.
What does the fox say?
Oh god.
I kind of want this. Oh, I don't need to squat, right?
No.
Damn.
I've never been so focused in my life.
What are they doing? By the way, guys, this is like your trash cans and shit. And this girl is spreading her legs. The fuck? Come on, don't get your shoes wet though. She's holding on to the grass. Whoa, this is like Alice in Wonderland. Woo!
Oh my gosh, everyone drinks. Like they make
Oh.
a poll like, do you guys drink water? And like everybody's like, yes, I go ham. This person was like, holy smokes, y'all really like water.
Oh.
Alright, so what class do you have?
It's a vlog.
What?
It's a vlog.
It's a vlog.
It's a vlog.
Vlog.
Hi, special guest.
Vlog.
I'm too lazy to open the door. Is it down here?
Hey guys, so today is Friday. It's been a week since I vlogged, I think, but this came from my 9 a.m. class, and as you guys can tell, I look really tired, and I am because I slept at like 3 yesterday studying. So yeah, I had an exam this week, and I have an exam next week as well, so college is great. Anyways, I know this vlog was sort of a mess and unorganized and whatever, but I hope you liked it. Yeah. I'm so tired. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in another video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.